Have you ever uh, needed to ship something out sooner than you planned? Like way sooner than your system had down.
Oh, yeah, I've run into that all the time,
Yeah.
especially when you get those kind of last-minute requests.
Right. And your ERP is like, nope, not happening.
Exactly. It's like pulling teeth trying to make that happen sometimes.
Today we're going to deep dive into a pretty neat solution that, Zakir Salman figured this out.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of him. He's a functional consultant over at Tiana, right?
That's him. And let me tell you, this guy's been around the block a few times when it comes to ERP.
Yeah.
Like 5 years, tons of different scenarios. He's seen it all with Acumatica.
Yeah, that's the kind of experience you want when you're dealing with this stuff.
So the problem we're talking about today is like, you've got a sales order all set to go,
Right,
but then boom, got to get one line item out the door ASAP,
right.
and the system's just not playing nice.
And I bet a lot of folks are stuck doing things manually or like coming up with these crazy workarounds just to make it work.
You know it. So Salman, he figured out how to do this right from the shipment screen in Acumatica. Like he created this new section and added an add order option right there in the grid. Wait, hold on. So instead of like going back and forth between screens and messing with the whole order,
You got it.
he made it so you can just fix the one line item right then and there. Woo. Say a customer calls up freaking out because they need this one part, like right
Yeah.
now. Your shipping person can just go into the shipment screen, click add order, and then just change the ship date for that one line item.
No kidding.
The rest of the order stays put, ships out when it was supposed to, change the date, process the shipment, done.
That's slick. No more splitting orders or like manually overriding stuff. Way less room for mistakes, too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you're keeping the customer happy, which is always a win.
For sure. It's all about making things run smoother, right?
100%.
Yeah.
And that's what Salman and Tiana Solutions are all about. They're the biggest service partner out there for Acumatica Cloud ERP. They've got a whole army of consultants, all super experienced.
I mean, with a team that big, they've got to have seen every possible problem under the sun, right?
Oh, yeah, they've seen it all.
Yeah.
Implementations, customizations, you name it, they can handle it. They're all about helping businesses get the most out of their Acumatica system. Speed things up, fix problems fast, make everything run like a well-oiled machine.
And they even help out on-site consultants. That's a big plus.
Absolutely. So if you're banging your head against the wall trying to deal with early shipments, or just want to make your Acumatica system really sing, give Tiana Solutions a shout. Their number is 678-910-2774. Book an appointment, tell them what's going on, and they'll get you sorted out. They know Acumatica inside and out, and they've got a knack for coming up with really clever solutions.
Like this trick with the early shipments.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
It just goes to show you sometimes the smallest tweaks can make a huge difference. What other little things are we missing out on that can make our lives so much easier?
That's a great question. Something to think about for
Yeah.
sure.
It's all about working smarter, not harder.
Couldn't agree more.
Well, on that note, that's
Yeah.
our deep dive for today.
Thanks for having me.
And thanks to all of you for listening.